The Philippine Air Force is stepping into a new era. With homegrown technology, indigenous systems, and strong partnerships with local industries and research institutions, the Air Force is redefining how the nation prepares for the challenges of tomorrow. These advances aren't just about equipment. They're about building a self-reliant defense posture, or SRDP, one innovation at a time. The Defense Industry Forum will highlight the theme of self-reliance. This event will bring together military leaders, government agencies, universities, and the private sector to transform the SRDP from concept into reality. The Philippine Air Force will take center stage, unveiling technologies designed and built right here at home. The goal? To reduce dependence on foreign suppliers, optimize local resources, and strengthen our nation's air defense capabilities. At the core of these breakthroughs is the Air Force Research and Development Center, or AFRDC. This unit is the driving force behind the Air Force's innovation journey. AFRDC transforms ideas into solutions, harnessing indigenous materials, advancing technologies, and adapting them for military use. Beyond simple fabrication, their mission is to design the future, creating systems that are resilient, adaptive, and uniquely Filipino. Let's take a closer look at some of the most groundbreaking projects developed by the Philippine Air Force. Drone Ordnance Inflictors. The first locally made fixed-wing and rotary-wing loitering munitions. These drones are designed for precision strike missions, giving the Air Force affordable yet effective tools for modern warfare. Built with local expertise, these systems embody the shift toward indigenous defense technology. Savers. Solar air-conditioned vehicle electric recycled systems. The first solar-powered electric vehicle created within the armed forces of the Philippines. Savers not only demonstrates innovation but also highlights sustainability, showing that green energy can play a role in defense logistics. Armor. Aerocomp researched material optimizing resources. A first in the Philippines. A Level 3 certified armored vest ballistic plate made using abaca fiber, a material abundant in the country. This project proves that local resources can be engineered to meet international defense standards while supporting local industries. Future. Projects in development, from advanced drones to adaptive communication systems, AFRDC continues to push the limits. Each prototype is a step toward reducing reliance on foreign imports and achieving a credible and agile air force. These innovations go beyond equipment. They represent a mindset, a determination that the Philippines must take charge of its own defense future. With every drone built, every solar-powered vehicle tested, and every armored vest fabricated, the Air Force strengthens not just its arsenal, but its identity as a force that is resilient, adaptive, and self-reliant. And it doesn't stop with the military. Collaboration with universities, research institutions, and private industries ensures that innovation is a shared mission, one that benefits both defense and civilian sectors. The Philippine Air Force is proving that the future of defense is not imported. It's built right here, by Filipinos, for Filipinos. The upcoming Defense Industry Forum is more than just a showcase of technology. It's a commitment to turning vision into action, innovation into protection, and partnerships into national strength. This is the path to a self-reliant defense posture. And this is the future of the Philippine Air Force: resilient, adaptive, and self-reliant. PHIVIDEC jets flying in formation. AFRDC lab tests. Filipino engineers and soldiers working together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and innovation and modernization. See you in the next video.